Hello, brilliant learners. Welcome back to Learn Right Here, where we break down BECE topics into simple, easy to understand lessons. Today, we are focusing on one of the key science topics you must know for the BECE, the nitrogen cycle. If you ever wondered how nitrogen moves through nature, and why it is so important for plants, animals, and even us humans, then stay tuned. Let's dive in right here. 1. What is nitrogen cycle? The nitrogen cycle is the natural process by which nitrogen moves between the air, soil, plants, animals, and back into the atmosphere. Remember, nitrogen gas makes up about 78% of the air around us. But most living things cannot use nitrogen gas directly. The nitrogen cycle changes nitrogen into forms that plants and animals can use for growth. What are the stages of the nitrogen cycle? 1. Nitrogen fixation. This is the process of converting nitrogen gas from the air into compounds like nitrates and ammonia. This is done by nitrogen-fixing bacteria in the soil and in root nodules of plants like beans and groundnuts. Lightning can also help fix nitrogen. Step 2 or stage 2. Nitrification. Here, soil bacteria change ammonia into nitrates and then into nitrates. So ammonia is changed from nitrites and then into nitrates. Nitrates are absorbed by plants as food for growth. 3. Assimilation. Plants absorb nitrates from the soil and use them to make proteins. Animals also eat the plants, and the proteins enter their bodies. 4. Ammonification. When plants and animals die, decomposers like bacteria and fungi break them down. Nitrogen in their bodies is returned to the soil as ammonia. The next stage is denitrification. Some bacteria in the soil converts nitrate back into nitrogen gas. This nitrogen returns to the atmosphere, completing the cycle. So these are the stages involved in the nitrogen cycle. Quick recap. 1. Nitrogen fixation. 2. Nitrification. 3. Assimilation. 4. Ammonification or decay. And 5. Denitrification. What are the importance of the nitrogen cycle? 1. Provides plants with nitrates needed for growth.